like to congratulate both teams, not only their victories this evening, but being in first place, boys and girls, looking for a great ending to the season. Our first senior this evening, Serena Bergeron, escorted by Bergeron. Serena's on the team for 1 year, earned her first year letter. President of Goodwill Ambassadors, historian of FCCLA, her future plans, attending Pennsylvania College of Technology, majoring in auto collision repair, and the special announcement is, today is Serena's birthday. Happy birthday as she walks forward. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Serena. Happy birthday to you. Very good. Our next senior, Olivia Follis, escorted by Andrew McLaughlin and Teresa Follis. Olivia, and also will be a first-year letter winner. Other school activities include girls soccer, NHS, salsa club, president of Spanish National Honor Society, and a member of the class cabinet. She plans on attending Temple, majoring in biology, minor in bowling. And our next senior, Tanner Gilmartin. Gilmartin. Tanner, 3 years on the team, is a 3-year letter winner. Other school activities include, he is a Nick Foles faithful, and a respectable young man. Future plans, Montgomery County Community College, and then transfer to Pitt or Temple. Congratulations. And our next senior, Kathleen Gross, escorted by Mary Ann Gross and Kevin Gross. Kathleen has been on the team 2 years and will earn her second letter. Other school activities include Key Club, Salsa Club, YEA, and future plans include study interior design and accepted to Jefferson, Marywood, and Drexel. Congratulations, Kathleen. Our next senior, Colin Hank, escorted by Colin, first-year bowler. His other school activities include soccer, track, trying out for the volleyball team, take pictures at some school events, and will be attending the University of Pitt. Congratulations, Colin. Our next senior, Isabel Hughes. This is Isabel's 3rd year on the team, 3-year letter winner. Other school activities include soccer, Key Club, and YEA. Her future plans, attend Newman University to study sports management and play soccer. Congratulations. Our next senior, Michelle Kersey. Luna Kersey and Lee Kersey. Years on the team, 3, and is a 3-year letter winner. Other school activities include National Honor Society, Key Club, Happiness Club, and Best Buddies. Her future plans, pursue a nursing degree. Congratulations, Michelle. Our next senior, Jillian Nab, escorted by Edward and Diane Nab. This is Jillian's first year on the team, and she is a first-year letter winner. Her other school activities include Salsa Club, career study student at Bridle Path Elementary. Her future plans include playing softball for Arcadia University and studying childhood education. Congratulations. Our next senior, Mackenzie Kuhn. She has been on the team 2 years and will be a 2-year letter winner. Other school activities include Key Club, National Honor Society, and Salsa Club. Her future plans to be a veterinarian, plans to attend Penn State or Delaware Valley University. Congratulations, Mackenzie. Our next senior, Allison Maxwell. This is Allison's first year on the team, and she is a first-year letter winner. Other school activities include NHS, Salsa Club, North Penn Wind Ensemble, Columbia Jazz Band, National Spanish Honor Society, Treasurer of Class Cabinet. Future plans? Attend Lafayette College. Congratulations, Alex. Our next senior, Colin Nass, escorted by Debbie and Craig Nass. Current year member of the bowling team. He will also receive 4 letters. Other school activities is JROTC. His future plans: attend Montgomery County Community College, then transfer to Temple, studying psychology. Congratulations, Colin. Our next senior, Chris Owak, escorted by Allison Cox. This is Chris' 4th year on the team. Other school activities include volleyball, the Japanese Language Club, IFC Club, and Green Room Club. Future plans attend Montgo for IT, and then a school in Florida. All right, very good. Congratulations, Chris. Our next senior, Jonathan Renzi, escorted by Mike Renzi. This is his 2nd year on the team. He is a first-year letter winner. Other school activities include FCA and track and field. Future plans: York College of Pennsylvania for nursing. Congratulations, Jonathan. And our next senior, Victoria Rotman, and Glenn Rotman. Years on the team, 3. 2nd-year letter winner. Other school activities include National Technical Society, manage of the football team, and future plans, culinary school. She'll have to come back and cook for us, right? Congratulations, Victoria. And our final senior, Kenny Wetzel. 2 years on the team, 2nd year letter winner. Other school activities activities include Ultimate Frisbee and FCA. Future plans going to Montgomery County Community College for early education and then transferring to East Stroudsburg University. Congratulations, Kenny. Best of luck, seniors, on your future plans, and enjoy the rest of your bowling season. Take care.